Hello and welcome. This is Mudassir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will learn about polysolid. So the polysolid command is used by architect to creating a walls. So let's see how to use this one. Polysolid command here is in a modeling panel. You can see here this is the icon for polysolid. I will click this one to activate this one. Now it is asking about polysolid specify start point. So we will specify start point here, and I will just specify second point here. You can see it is looking like walls. Okay, now I will just give third point here. Now I will just create arc. You can create arc as well. Okay, I will right click here, and here you can see one of the option that is arc. So I will click here. Okay, now I will select this point, and then again I will right click, and again I will select what line. Okay, and I will select this point. Now you can see it is looking like walls. So I will just hit enter to close this one. Now in polysolid you can just give width of the wall, you can just give height of the wall as well. Okay, so what I will do, I will just click here to activate this one, and then I will right click here. Here you can see one of the option that is height and then width. Okay, so for now I will just click on height, and I will just give a height of 8000 millimeter. Okay, and then it is asking about width as well. I will right click here. You can see I will just click on width, and I will just give a width of 300 mm. Okay, so I will just hit enter. Now I will just give first point. Okay, the height of this wall is 8000 mm and the width of this wall is 300 mm. Okay, so I will just give this point, then this point. So this is the method for height and width. I will just right click and I will hit enter. Now if you want to just convert any geometry into polysolid, you can convert that as well. So let's see how to do that. I will just click here to activate line command, and I will just give line here. Okay, and I will hit enter. Again I want to just draw a rectangle here. Okay, I want to draw a rectangle here. Okay, this one. Now I want to convert this line into polysolid as well as this rectangle into polysolid. So I will just activate this polysolid from here, and I will right click here, and here you can see one option that is object. I will click here to activate this one, and I will select that particular line that I want to convert it into polysolid. Now you can see it is converted into polysolid. And now I just want to convert this rectangle as well. I will go here to activate this one, and right click. I will go into the object option, and I will select this one. Now you can see this is converted into polysolid. Now the height and the width will be equal that we give it before. Okay, so I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.